Welcome to another video on the preventive aspects of COVID. I told another video because I'm sure that this is not your first video on knowing the preventive aspects of COVID or even the curative aspects of COVID, as so many people have already talked about it. I know we all are fed up with so much information that is available on the internet or on YouTube or any other platform. I know that it is becoming too much for us because at one point lack of information was a problem, but now too much information is becoming a problem. But in this video, we are trying to be as crisp and as precise as possible to the point that we are talking about.
Om Shri Dhanvantre Namaha.
I would like to talk about 2 to 3 ways in which we can prevent this condition. The first and the foremost thing that every single person today at this very point has to do is de-stress ourselves. Every single one of us are exposed to so many information, so many news articles around us which say there are 4 lakh cases in India, there are 3 lakh cases in India, there are so many deaths in India. All these make us get stressed, right? Knowingly or unknowingly. What happens when we get stressed? The cortisol levels in our body increases. What happens when the cortisol level increases? It directly affects our immune system. Why does that happen? Why do steroids tend to affect the immune system? Why do steroids, as we all know, steroids reduce or affect the immune system by reducing the efficacy of the immune system? Why does that happen? Because it contains cortisol in it. So our body naturally secretes this cortisol when we get stressed. So it is very important that we stay informed but not paranoid. And in Ayurveda, it is told Vishado Roga Vardhananam. It means that Vishada is lack of hope, feeling of hopelessness tends to increase the condition or aggravate the condition. It is very important that we need to be relaxed and de-stressed in such a situation. This is the first and foremost preventive step that we have to take. Make sure that you and the people around you, your family members, are as much stress-free as possible. If eating tasty and still being healthy is an art, then Indians are the Picassos of it. Why am I telling this? Because Indian spices are one of the most efficient ways of enhancing the taste of a food. When we add Indian spices to any kind of food, be it sweets or spicy foods or parathas or sambar or rasam or any kind of food that we prepare, we tend to traditionally add a lot of spices to it. This is not just to enhance the taste which is present already in the food, it is also used to improve various aspects of our body. One of those important aspects is the immune system. We all are aware of turmeric, right? There was a recent study which showed that South Indians are less prone to rectal cancer than the North Indians. Why was that? The article literally mentioned that South Indians tend to eat sambar and rasam more, which has lot of turmeric in it, and this turmeric is preventing the formation of cancer cells. So turmeric or any other Indian spice has lots of benefits for the body, especially to the immune system. It was found in various studies that pepper, dry ginger powder, turmeric, all these ingredients tend to enhance the immune system and reduce the viral and bacterial load of the body. It also tends to clear up the chest and the lungs of its phlegm. So because of all these reasons, it is quite evident that you need to start using Indian spices more, not just to enhance your taste, but also to improve your immune system. When you want to make sure that a certain organ in your body is up to its optimum health, you need to make sure that it is working to its optimum extent. Meaning, if you want your liver to be healthy, you have to make sure that you have certain kinds of food which keep your liver and the associated organs healthy, right? So if you want your brain to function well, you need to consume or do certain activities which keep your brain health optimum, right? In the same way, in this present pandemic, we all know that the ultimate organ which is getting finally affected by the condition is the human lungs, right? So it is important for us to keep our lungs to its optimum health. So what are the things that we can do to keep the capacity of lung to its fullest? I'll tell you 3 simple ways in which we can improve the lung capacity. The first thing is doing pranayama. Pranayama has been proved to improve the lung health and the lung capacity in multiple ways. The second thing is by using a simple respirometer. There are multiple ways in which respirometer can be used to improve the lung capacity as well as the lung health. The third thing, the most easiest and simplest thing, is doing steam inhalation. Steam inhalation at least twice or thrice in a day, especially by using eucalyptus oil or karpura or by any other Ayurvedic capsules which are available over the counter, can help in improving the lung capacity, and it also helps in dissolving the mucus which is present on the surface of the nostril or the trachea. So these are some simple ways in which we can improve the lung capacity as well as improve the lung health. So I hope these three simple ways help you prevent the ongoing pandemic that is having a toll on every single one of us.
Do subscribe to our channel to be updated with our latest videos. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, and if you have any opinions or questions, do write them in the comment section below.